Hi, we're back in Industrial Surplus to do a video demonstration of our AMADA model HA250W automatic horizontal bandsaw, built new in 1997. It has a capacity of 1/2 inch up to 10 inch diameter rounds and rectangular cuts of 12 inch by 10 inch. Workload capacity is 3,307 pounds. And the blade speeds are 89 to 290 feet per minute. The maximum blade size is 11 feet 6 inches by 1 1/4 inches wide, 42 thousandths thick. And it's equipped with the operator control panel, front and rear vices, coolant system, the hydraulic system. I have a copy of the operator's manual on a disc, and it's a 5 horsepower motor, blade motor, and it's also equipped with chip conveyor. So we'll go ahead and start the machine and show it to you. It has it's in beautiful shape. We did recondition the machine. It's not rebuilt, but we did recondition it. We cleaned it, painted it, cycled it, so it's all set and ready to go. We're not running with coolant, so we'll do a few cuts and show you how it works. So it's got the rapid approach, senses the work, starts feeding, which is controlled variably by the hydraulics. It goes again. We've already cut up a few pieces already, and it just keeps going. It has an index system, so if your part is, the feed length is about 15 3/4 inches in one setting, and if you wanted to do multiple up to like 30, 60, whatever inches you wanted to feed, up to 144 inches in total length, this counter here, or this setting, will do multiple indexes to the feed system. Now this is where you set your length to that hand wheel, and it records or shows you the dimension. Right now we're cutting off 1 inch length parts. Got the stock feed system back here. And I'll mention it has the variable speed blade speed system, adjustable through this dial setting here. And just conveyor again. So that's the machine. If you have any questions, feel free to contact us. We'll be happy to set up an inspection for you or answer any questions you may have. And we look forward to working with you. Thank you.